How to check if you have a second-hand iPhone. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app from your home screen. Once you are here, tap on General. Next, tap on About to open your device information page. On this screen, locate the model number field near the top. Do not tap on it, simply read the first letter of the code that is shown here. If it starts with M, the device was sold as new retail. If it starts with N, it is an Apple replacement unit. If it starts with F, it is a refurbished device. If it starts with P, it was a personalized device at purchase. Staying on this page, also look for a section labeled Parts and Service History if your iPhone supports it. If you see any listed parts, that indicates components were replaced previously. These identifiers are provided by Apple and help reveal the device origin at a glance. Use the details on the About page to decide whether your iPhone is second-hand or refurbished. Following these steps, you can easily check if you have a second-hand iPhone.